everyone, today is Monday, March 5th, 2018. I am so excited because today is the day that I pick up my Century Rewards order right here in Lehi at the Will Call office for Young Living. This is the corporate office in Utah. I come here every month right around this time to pick up my order and some other orders for people in my downline or on my team. So I'm going to go on in and pick up my order and then I'll show you what I got. That was fun. I love going down to the Will Call every month to get my Century Rewards order. And now I want to share with you what I got. So one of the first things that I got was the Aroma Bright Thieves toothpaste. Now I got the 5-pack. And the reason I got the 5-pack is because there's 6 of us in our family. And so each of my kids, I have 4 kids, and then my husband and me, so each of my kids get their own, and then my husband and I share one, but my husband and I also have a larger one that we can share, so it's nice to be able to have 5 tubes, and I have to tell you, ever since we started using this toothpaste, my children's checkups have been that much better. No cavities, I am not kidding, no cavities with the Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. And with this toothpaste, there is no sugar, no harsh ingredients, no synthetic dyes, no artificial flavors or preservatives, and it is made with natural plant-derived ingredients. Love this toothpaste. Okay, the Thieves Fresh Essence mouthwash. Even with regular brushing, we have a tendency to miss those areas that we really need to not be missing for some really good dental checkups. So Thieves Fresh Essence mouthwash is something that after you're done flossing and you're done brushing your teeth, you just put a tiny bit of this into your mouth and swoosh it around for about 30 seconds. This is great stuff. It is free from harsh alcohol, artificial dyes and flavors. It contains the essential oils of clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. It also has peppermint and spearmint in it, and it's the peppermint and spearmint that make it cool and refreshing. Because let me tell you, this is probably the most cooling, refreshing, enjoyable mouthwash that I've ever had. So I'll never be without my mouthwash. And one other thing that I just remembered, it has colloidal silver in it. Now, colloidal silver is a product that my family uses. We like to spray it in our mouth. If we need some help with our ears or something, you can spray it around your ears. Sinus infections, anything. Colloidal silver is so good for those things. And I love that it's got colloidal silver in it. Okay, baby wipes. This is something I get every single month. Well, I'm actually getting to a point where I don't think I have to get it every single month because there's 72 wipes in here. I do not use this for babies. My youngest is 8 years old, so I don't have a baby that I need to use baby wipes for. But this is gentle. It is so mild and to the skin. So what I like to do is I like to use the baby wipes to take off my makeup every night. Now, the baby wipes have been dermatologist tested, and it's also hypoallergenic. There are no synthetic fragrances or dyes, and it's just very gentle and mild to your skin. So this is a must-have in my house to taking off makeup. The misting spray, Savvy Minerals misting spray. I have to be honest, I was actually not too thrilled about the Savvy Minerals misting spray at first. My first thoughts were, I don't want to spray this on my brush and get it all wet and icky or anything. Well, I don't know why I thought that because I love Savvy Minerals, but I just bought the misting spray and used it for the first time today. I'm in love with this stuff. I love it. Before I started using the misting spray, I would put the foundation powder on my brush and then put it on my face, but I noticed that I had foundation just going all over the place. You can just see it in the air going all over the place. So what you do with the misting spray is you just spray it on your brush, like 2 squirts, 2 sprays, and then you put some of the foundation powder into the lid, and then you just put the powder on your brush and put it on. I didn't have makeup flying all over the place. And not only that, but the misting spray, it has the essential oils of geranium, bergamot, cedarwood, black spruce, orange, lavender, lime, sage, acacia, and rose. Those are the essential oils that are in this. So when you are putting on Savvy Minerals that is already chemical free, already healthy for you, not only are you adding or saving in product by using the misting spray, but you're also adding all of those beneficial oils to your face. I love it. I absolutely love it. So the misting spray is definitely one that's going to be a favorite of mine, especially with Savvy Minerals. Now, multi-greens. I buy the multi-greens every single month. And one of the reasons why, now this one is not open. This is one I just bought. This one we're still, you can tell there's still quite a bit in there. But I buy it every month. My husband and my son and me take this every single month. And as you can tell, it's in a gel capsule. It's green for multi-greens. It supports a healthy circulatory system. It contains bee pollen, barley, spirulina, alfalfa, and Pacific kelp. If you want to add more greens to your diet, I highly recommend multi-greens, the multi-green gel caps. Mighty Vites is something I love giving to my kids. It's free of preservatives and artificial colors and fragrances and flavors, not fragrances, flavors. It gives your children full nutritional support. It includes a full range of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. So your kids can have up to like 3 of these a day. I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like. This is one of the, what are they called? Mighty Vites. I use these all the time. I couldn't even think of the name. I love these too. I give these to my kids, but I actually put some of these into a little bag that I like to carry around in my purse. But I like to carry these around because I like sucking on things, you know, like Lifesavers or putting gum in my mouth. But the nice thing about the Mighty Vites is that I know that this does not have any artificial flavors or anything in it, and that it's good for me. So I carry these around in my purse, and when I need something, you know, I can have up to 3 of these a day. So I just like to suck on them. Same thing with the Super C. Super C, who doesn't want extra vitamin C in their everyday life? Now my kids, these are the Super C chewables. My kids do not like to chew on these. So what I do is I put these, I make up this one big smoothie for my kids every morning, but I put, I have 4 kids, so I put 4 vitamin C chewable tablets inside of my Vitamix and mix it up with all the good stuff. So my kids get their vitamin C. I'll show you what a vitamin C looks like from one of my containers here, one of my bottles here that is almost gone. So that is the chewable vitamin C. This is another one that I take around in my purse, and when I just feel like I want a little bit extra vitamin C, if I'm out and about, I just take one of these vitamin C's and suck on it and chew it or whatever. I love it. Okay, Omega-Gize. I ran out of this 2 weeks ago, and I was so sad when I ran out of it because Omega-Gize contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D3, and CoQ10. CoQ10. Let's get that right. They work synergistically to support normal brain, heart, eye, and joint health. And that is something, especially for, I know, women who are, maybe you're going through the change. This is excellent to support you when you're going through that change. Grapefruit lip balm. This is one of the last items that I ordered. The grapefruit lip balm, it has, let me see if I can find my notes on that. I know I have it around. Oh, here it is. It has grapefruit essential oil, wolfberry seed oil, and antioxidants to seal in moisture. I love that. Grapefruit, wolfberry seed, antioxidants. That's a pretty healthy lip balm. So, and grapefruit is one of my favorites. So I went ahead and got a grapefruit. Now the other products, I've got 6 other products here that Young Living gave to me for free. This is part of the promotions. that Young Living is so generous with. When you place Essential Rewards orders, Young Living is so generous in giving back. They say thank you with some fantastic product. So the first thing is the Thieves Dish Soap. Now there are no chemicals, dyes, or synthetics in this. It is plant-based. The essential oils that are inside of the dish soap are Thieves, Jade Lemon, and Bergamot. So what I like to do is every morning when I make our smoothies for my family, what I do is after I'm done making the smoothies is I take just a small little drop of the Thieves dish soap and put it inside of my Vitamix, and then just add water to it, turn the machine on, and it gets cleaned. My Vitamix gets cleaned with the Thieves dish soap every time. I love that I know what I am putting inside of it. So the Thieves dish soap, one of the promotional items, I did not pay for this. The other one is, the Thieves Household Cleaner. This comes with also a spray bottle. This is great. All it takes is just a very small amount of the Thieves Cleaner at the bottom, and then you fill the rest of this up with water. And if you can see the front of this, this bottle is so cute. Young Living Essential Oils, and then on the other side, it says Thieves. Now, the Thieves Household Cleaner has no synthetics or harsh ingredients. It has pure essential oils, and the essential oils that it has in it are Thieves, clove, lemon, and rosemary, along with naturally derived ingredients. And what is so neat about this is I know a lot of people who love to take this on trips. That's kind of a big bottle. But the great thing is, now I don't have this yet. This is brand new, but Young Living has these small little packets. It's a single serve packet of the Thieves Household Cleaner that you can take on trips. You can take camping with you, anywhere that you are going on the go. You can take the Thieves Household Cleaner with you now with the small little packets that Young Living has created for us. They're so smart. I just love them. Citrus Fresh is another promotional item. The oils in this, because this is a blend, but the oils in this are orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and spearmint. All you have to do, you take a little spray bottle. This is a spray bottle. It says Young Living on the front that I think I got this in December, either November or December. But what I love about this is you fill this up with water, add a few drops or however many drops you want, just depends on how strong you want the scent to be, but just add a few drops of Citrus Fresh into this, and you can spritz it around your home, in a linen closet, or just on your bed, and you can have the most amazing scent. This is one that's already open, but out of all the citrus oils, this is my favorite. I love Citrus Fresh. That is definitely a good one. The last two promotional items that Young Living gives for free, lemon essential oil, lemon vitality. Lemon vitality, what we like to do is every time we go out to a restaurant, we order some water and we add a couple of drops of lemon vitality. It helps to purify your water. Now for teenagers can also add this to their moisturizer, and the lemon helps remove blemishes, which is really nice. You can also add this to your conditioner to make your hair look healthier and shinier. So lemon has multiple uses. The very last product that was given as a promotional item from Young Living is called Hope. Now Hope is, this is an essential oil blend that gives you feelings of strength and stability. So if you're starting to feel like you're going through some challenges in your life and you just need some added strength, it's amazing how just inhaling Hope can give you hope. And the essential oils that are in this, because Hope is a blend, it has the essential oils of Melissa, juniper, myrrh, and black spruce. These are some great essential oils and some great products that Young Living gives to all of us for free when we are on Essential Rewards, and just loving the products every single month. And Young Living comes back and says, thank you so much. And they give you so many free products. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, Discover Your Essential Oils. We would love to have you come and join us each time we put out these videos. We put them out frequently, so please come and join us. And if you are interested in learning more about Young Living or becoming part of our team, we've got team members from all over the place. I've got them throughout the United States. I've even got a team member in Great Britain, and we're working with her. It is so nice to be able to share with people all over the world what Young Living can do for their family and just for your home. It's a wonderful thing. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.